Hey there, are you looking to turn your Facebook page into a money-making machine? Well, you come to the right place. NUMBER1. Build a loyal following. Define your target audience. Clearly identify who your ideal audience is. Understand their demographics, interests, and preferences. This will help you tailor your content to resonate with them effectively. Consistent posting schedule. Create a regular posting schedule and stick to it. Consistency is key to keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. Use Facebook Insights to analyze when your audience is most active and schedule your posts accordingly. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and inquiries promptly. Encourage discussions, ask questions, and seek input from your audience. Show genuine interest in their opinions and experiences. High-quality content. Share valuable, informative, entertaining, or inspiring content that aligns with your page's theme or niche. Use a mix of text, images, videos, and other multimedia formats to keep your content diverse and engaging. Experiment with different types of posts to see what resonates best with your audience. Share user-generated content. Encourage your followers to share their experiences, stories, or content related to your page. Repost or feature user-generated content to make your audience feel valued and involved. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Choose relevant affiliate products. Select products or services that align with your page's niche and cater to your audience's interests and needs. Promoting relevant products increases the chances of conversions and enhances your credibility with your followers. Provide valuable content. Create engaging and informative content that educates your audience about the benefits and features of the affiliate products you promote. Focus on addressing their pain points and demonstrating how the products can solve their problems or improve their lives. Incorporate affiliate links strategically. Instead of bombarding your audience with affiliate links, integrate them naturally into your content. For example, you can mention the product in a blog post or video and include an affiliate link for interested readers/viewers to learn more or make a purchase. Disclose affiliate relationships. Transparency is crucial in affiliate marketing. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience to maintain trust. You can do this by using phrases like, "This post contains affiliate links," or "I may earn a commission if you purchase through my links." Leverage visual content. Use eye-catching visuals, such as high-quality images or videos, to promote your affiliate products. Visual content tends to capture attention and can increase engagement and click-through rates. Number 3. Sponsored posts and brand partnerships. Develop a strong brand identity. Cultivate a clear and consistent brand identity for your page. Define your niche, voice, and values, and ensure that your content reflects these aspects. A strong brand identity will attract brands that align with your page and increase the likelihood of successful partnerships. Create a media kit. Put together a professional media kit that showcases your page's demographics, engagement metrics, audience insights, and previous successful collaborations. This document will serve as a valuable resource when approaching brands for partnerships, as it provides a snapshot of your page's reach and influence. Reach out to brands. Actively research and approach brands that align with your page's niche and target audience. Craft personalized pitches that outline the value you can offer through sponsored posts or collaborations. Highlight the benefits for the brand, such as access to your engaged audience and the unique content opportunities you can provide. Engage with brands on social media. Show genuine interest in the brands you want to collaborate with by engaging with their content on social media. Like, comment, and share their posts, and tag them when relevant. Building relationships with brands through social media interactions can increase your chances of securing partnerships. Number 4. Sell your own products or services. Leverage Facebook ads. Utilize Facebook's advertising platform to reach a wider audience and promote your products or services. Set up targeted ad campaigns based on demographics, interests, and behaviors to ensure your ads are shown to relevant users. Monitor the performance of your ads and make adjustments as needed to optimize your results. Offer limited time or exclusive products. Create a sense of urgency and exclusivity by offering limited time products or exclusive launches. This can create a buzz around your offerings and encourage customers to make a purchase before they miss out. Provide social proof. Showcase testimonials, reviews, or case studies from satisfied customers to build trust and credibility. Encourage customers to leave feedback on your Facebook page or other review platforms, and feature positive testimonials prominently to highlight the value and quality of your products or services. Implement upselling and cross-selling strategies. Maximize the value of each customer by implementing upselling and cross-selling techniques. Recommend complementary products or upgrades to customers during the purchasing process. This can increase the average order value and boost your overall sales. Number 5. Facebook Audience Network. Understand Facebook Audience Network. Facebook Audience Network is a platform that allows you to monetize your mobile apps or websites, including your Facebook page, by displaying targeted ads. It provides access to a wide range of advertisers and ad formats, helping you generate revenue from your page's traffic. Review eligibility requirements. Ensure that your Facebook page meets the eligibility criteria to participate in the Facebook Audience Network. This includes complying with Facebook's policies and guidelines, having an active Facebook page with substantial content and engagement, and adhering to any specific requirements outlined by Facebook. Set up Audience Network on your page. Connect your Facebook page to Audience Network by linking it to an approved app or website associated with your page. This will enable you to display ads and earn revenue from your page's content. Optimize your page for ad placements. Ensure that your Facebook page is optimized for ad placements. Choose a layout and design that accommodates ads seamlessly without compromising the user experience. This includes considering factors such as ad sizes, placement locations, and ad integration to maximize visibility and engagement. Select appropriate ad formats. Explore the various ad formats offered by Facebook Audience Network and select the ones that work best for your page and audience. This could include native ads, interstitial ads, banner ads, rewarded videos, or other formats. Consider the user experience and find a balance between ad placements and content to avoid overwhelming your audience with excessive advertising. Thanks for watching.